morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you? And thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really appreciate it. Now today, I'm going to start doing something a little bit different to my channel, especially now, New Year, 2019. I plan to do every Friday, the idea anyway, every Friday to recreate a celebrity makeup look, because I like to take a picture and try to see if I can recreate whatever I see. Hence, that's actually how I learned to do makeup in the first place, is copying people and be like, okay, how did they do this, and researching and whatsoever. Well, for today, our first video of Friday, I decided to pick Jodie Sweetin. Yay! If you are unfamiliar with Jodie Sweetin, she actually plays Stephanie Tanner from, well, Full House when she was younger, and now Fuller House. Yes, Stephanie Tanner. Yes, awesome. So I went through Google last night and tried to see if I could find a nice picture. Now, the woman's a very natural looking girl. She doesn't wear a lot of makeup. She really doesn't, unlike me. So this is the picture that I chose. As you can see, it's nice, beautiful, elegant, has a little bit of color, but not too much. Maybe she was going to a special event. Now, this is the closest thing that I had to match with her. Jewelry, obviously, I'm not matching exactly because I don't know what she has. Maybe the whole outfit's over like $5,000. You never know. This is the closest thing that I had on my channel, and obviously, you know, I'm not blonde, I'm not good with hair, but you get my point. My point is makeup. So I'm gonna try to take you to steps that I took to recreate this makeup look. No, I don't have connections with the makeup artist, the actress, even though I would like to meet her one day. But no, I don't have any connections with them. It's just my attempt. Go ahead, and I would like if you comment below and let me know what you think. And if you think you would enjoy for the rest of the year, every single Friday, create a celebrity makeup look. So, you know, I'm just trying to spice things up a bit. Especially since things are going around. I think celebrity will be like a good time, especially since my music will be coming out soon. Just letting you know, just a reminder. But thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. My name is Enid, by the way. In case you haven't, please consider following me on all of my social medias, on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and we all have the exact same handle at EnidBlueSinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enid Lopez, because that's my entire name. Also, consider subscribing in case you haven't done it already, and remember to push the little notification bell, because YouTube is weird, sometimes it doesn't want to tell you when my videos are up and loaded. But just so you know, I do upload every Monday and Friday, and I'm trying to jazz it up with a little bit more fun, as you can tell. So I wanted to let you know that little detail as well. So please consider subscribing and comment below, because I actually want to get to know you and see what ideas you have, and I can incorporate them in my video. So, you know, just letting you know. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will hush, and I'll see you in just a second. Welcome back. Now, as I stated in the intro, in 2019, every Friday, I'm gonna try every Friday to do a celebrity look. Now, the first one I'm gonna start off with is a makeup carpet look from Jodie Sweetin. Here's the picture. I'm gonna try to recreate that. Now, if you look at that picture, it's very natural. She has, like, for what I can tell for that picture, like 2 colors on her eyes. She has no bronzer. Doesn't even look like she has highlight on, like nothing. It's just strictly like a blush, a nice soft peachy color, and like 2 colors on her lid. So I think it should be a very nice, easy makeup look. Let's see how far I can actually achieve the look of Jodie. Let's see. I was trying to last night to scroll down pictures of Jodie, a nice makeup look, but that girl is very natural. There's a lot of pictures that it looks like she doesn't have any makeup on, or very little, and the pictures were just so blurry I couldn't tell anything. This was the closest one that I could find that she has some sort of color on her. She's just fantastic. I mean, even in the show of the Fuller House, she doesn't have much on. She's just naturally gorgeous. She doesn't need it. Me, on the other hand, well, I'm a full coverage type of gal, so this is gonna be an interesting tutorial for me, and a lot less products. I don't have like bunches of products on my table like I usually do. So I know, enough chatting, and let's start with the eyes. Now, here's my disclaimer. Yes, I'm recreating a Jodie Sweetin makeup look, but I do not know Joanne Lee Ann Sweetin. I do not know her. I wish I did, because she's like my favorite actress like ever. Idols, just saying. I don't know her. I don't know her makeup artist. I don't know the products that was used on her face. I do not. I just went into my makeup collection and tried to match the colors that was similar to her look. So I'm very, very sure these are completely different makeup products that was used, but I'm giving it my best shot. So just a disclaimer there. As you guys know, I'm gonna try to look up as much as I can, but I need to see what I'm doing. So I angled the mirror up where I can, you know, see. So like anything else, we need to prime the eyes because we can. Now, you have the luxury to look at her picture right here throughout the whole time. I do not. So I have her right here on my phone. So I'm gonna have it standing up and I get to see how everything was applied, and I'm gonna try to create it as close to humanly possible to her, because I wouldn't mind being Jodie Sweetin for a day. I'm just saying, wouldn't you? So, 2019. So I need to prime my eyes. I'm sure if you're a celebrity, you want things to last on your face all day, especially with cameras and lights and everything on your face. You need things to last. So today I will be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer, and I'm going to put it all over the lid. And then I'm going to use a kind of sponge-like situation to blend everything right in. Look at her picture. She's very natural and it looks like nothing was covered. That's just how her lid is. So I'm going to be extremely natural today as well. Yes, I am. But I'm still gonna set the base. So for that, it's just to make sure everything goes on your face nice and smooth. So I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills the Prism palette. And to set the base, I'm actually gonna be using this color, Unity. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid just to set that primer that we put. Okay, now that we have that set, I'm looking at her picture, the eyes the best I can, and her crease, she has like a very nice caramelly type of brown on there. So the closest one that I was able to find, I have the baby version, because the big version I think is starting, that eye palette that I have in Too Faced, I think it's starting to be expired. So I have the baby version, the Too Faced chocolate bar, and I'm going to be using salted caramel. I'm going to be using the same brush, the Sigma E40, and I'm actually going to put my brush in here, and I'm going to put this all over the crease. Okay, we are done with the crease. As you can tell, it's like a nice soft little brown going on. And then as I look, because I couldn't find this exact picture with her eyes closed for me to see exactly what's going on, but I believe the entire lid, from what I can tell, is black, is a matte black, because I don't see any shimmer in there. I'm actually going to be taking the Anastasia Prism palette. I'm going to take the black out of here. It's called Obsidian, because I was trying to look through all my makeup, and apparently a lot of my blacks, and I didn't notice until last night, a lot of them have glimmer or shimmer in it. It was kind of hard for me to track down a complete matte eyeshadow. I know, right? You would think there would be a complete matte one, but it took me a while to find one. I know, weird. And then I'm gonna put this all over the lid. And then I'm going to go back with my Sigma E40 and just go over the crease. No additional product. It's just to blend it out, because as you can tell with that brush, there's a lot of harshness, and I don't see any harshness in her look, so let's smooth it out. Now everything is blended. Now I'm going back and taking a look at the picture. I really, maybe the way the picture was taken, I don't see any highlight at all on her. But even when I see her on TV or on a red carpet, I don't really see a lot of bling from space. Maybe she just doesn't like that look, or maybe the makeup artist, I don't know. But I don't really see a lot of shine. So nothing on the brow bone, because it just looks nice and natural. But I do have an idea. But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. And today I'll be using the same Too Faced Chocolate Brownie in Auburn. Okay, so the brows are done. And then the next thing that I see on this look is that it looks like she has some lashes on. So yes, I will be applying lashes, even though normally I don't in my makeup looks. I usually don't. Those are usually optional. But I'm trying to be Jodie today. So lashes it is. So the lashes that I will be using today, I'm going to be using the Cosmetic London Allure from Nikkie Phillips and the style Midnight Meow. Yes, this is drugstore. And I'll be using the Sephora Brush Tip Lash Adhesive. By the way, this is actually a pretty good lash glue, and it does actually last a long time, so not bad, and it's only like a few bucks compared to the House of Lashes. Yeah. But first, before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna curl my lashes just a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit, like one coat of the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. So give me a second. Now next, the lashes. Okay, and now that the lashes is on, I'm going to go off camera, put foundation, put concealer on, and then I'll be right back because the rest of the makeup that she has on, honestly, the only thing I have left is blush and lipstick. And she has like a touch of lip gloss, I believe. And we're gonna do something underneath the eye. Other than that, that's really it. She doesn't have any bronzer or anything like that. So I'm gonna step away, do those two things, powder up, and I'll be right back and we'll start with the blush. I am back. I have foundation on, I have concealer on, I have powder on. So the next thing we're gonna do is the blush. And while looking at the picture, it's like a nice, soft, very gentle blush. It's nothing too strong, it's just nice and subtle. As you can tell, this is completely different by like 360 of how I usually do my makeup, but it's Jodie Sweetin, so it's okay. It's cool. So I'm going to be using the Tarte blush collection. The color wheel, this came out last Christmas. If you don't, as long as you have these colors or close to it, that's all that matters. I'm just using this for today. And the color that seems to be closer to her tone, I would say is a mixture of these two, which is Deco and Surreal. And I'm going to apply this with a very, very, very light hand. And since there's no bronzer on this look, I'm actually going to put a little bit more up. That way it can go straight to the cheeks since there's no bronzing at all. So, Deco and Surreal. Okay, now that we have our nice light little flush on our cheeks, I'm going to go straight underneath the eyes. So we are done with the blush, just so you know. We're going to go back into the caramel chocolate, and I'm going to be using the same color we used on our crease. I'm using the mini Too Faced chocolate bar, and I'm going to go back into caramel. I'm going to be using the Sigma E30, and I'm going to put it all underneath the lash line. And then looking at the picture, it does have some black on top of this, so I'm going to go back to the Anastasia Prism, and we're going to go back to Obsidian, this black one. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to try to put it as close to my lash line as humanly possible, but I still want the brown to peek. Now if you see that brown you applied first is kind of going away, just get another E30 and just go over it again very lightly underneath, and it works out anyway because it helps you blend. Okay, and then while looking at her eyes, it looks like she does have some mascara in her bottom lashes, so let's go ahead and take care of that. I'm going to go back into the Essence and let me do my bottom lashes. She doesn't have much of anything else gloss. I'm not going to put anything in the inner quarter, my bridge of my nose. I'm not going to contour. I'm not going to bronze. I'm not going to anything because she doesn't. She doesn't have much of that. Now, if you see the little brownness on her neck down, that's just a shadow from wherever she was standing from the camera. But yeah, other than that, that's not bronzer or anything. So the next thing I'm going to do is lips. Now, I went to my makeup collection and the closest color that I have to that lip color is this one, the Too Faced and Bon Bon. I'm going to put this all over my lips. It's this reddish peakage color. I think this is from the La Creme line, I believe. This is in Bon Bon, just in case I haven't said it. And then she has a touch of gloss, so I'm going to put a little bit of this. See? And now for the setting spray. Today we're going to be using the Water Beauty Glow Getter Mist. And this is my version of recreating the Jodie Sweetin makeup recreation. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for pushing the little play button. Now, what are your thoughts of how I did on recreating the Jodie Sweetin makeup look? What do you think? You think I did close enough? Like I said, I don't know her. I don't know a makeup artist. I don't know the products that was used. I just had to look at the picture and see how close I could get to that makeup look. This is one of the few pictures that I've seen that she actually has some sort of color, and I think maybe she was going to an event of some sort. So let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Now, if you could recreate this look, go ahead and tag me, DM me, comment below. Send me a link of your video and I'll be more than happy to check it out. I really appreciate it. And remember, be safe, be kind, be careful. I miss you. I love you. And once again, have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I find you absolutely incredible and amazing. And I look forward to connecting with you next time. Thank you. See you soon.